So, how did this rock get here? Well, we're standing in my front yard. Where we're standing during the ice ages was under thousands of feet of ice. So we would have had ice, many times the height of those Doug fir trees on this spot. 12,000 years ago, the ice sheet extended as far south as Olympia, almost up to Olympia, which is on the south end of Puget Sound. This rock, if we look at it, it has some angular parts, but in general, it's slightly rounded. It's been, so we know that from that, it's been tumbled. It broke off of a cliff somewhere, tumbled down onto the ice sheet, was carried by the ice, and now it's called an erratic because it was dumped here on this spot when the ice melted. If we put a little, let's see what we got here, put a little water on this thing, and it's very dark granite. Doesn't really have much that we can see. I'd have to come up here with a brush probably and clean it to get a better look. There's another one over here. It's a little smaller. But if we look at this one and put a little water on it, it's a little bit lighter. Here we've got black biotite. We've got some of this lighter colored material. Looks like a feldspar, maybe pyroxene. I imagine there's quartz in there too. I don't see it. But these are clearly granitic rocks. Molten material solidified underground, never reached the surface. And I guess the thing about them is, where did they come from? Well, they didn't come from around here. There's no granitic rocks around here that could have come this far on the ice. So they clearly had to come from Canada. So somewhere up in the Canadian Rockies, the western side of the Canadian Rockies probably, is where this rock originated. So try over here. And that's a very dark, the main body of this rock is a very dark gray, very dark granite. Anyway, thought for today.